Okay, this is part 2. So remember, the part we left, we have done, go ahead and we talk about that. We need to write down the quadratic formula, we need to plug in the correct values, and we need to perform that operation, and we get these values from our calculator. That was the secret sauce. So remember, the motion was like that. So t is in seconds here, and this is h of t. All right, so I am starting with t equals 0 time, and that's the time that the ball hits the ground. So once I've seen a negative value, I cannot have that. Time cannot be negative. So the ball will be hitting the ground here at 2.224 seconds. So that will be the answer of part 1. And as I'm answering part 1, part A actually, we're answering part B. What is the domain of the given situation? So domain can start at t equals 0, and it can go till t equals 224. Or you can write domain with an interval form 0, 2.24. Right, so this is part B, the green one. We've done that. So what is the maximum height of the ball? The maximum height occurs here, which is in the vertex. Okay, so then we need to find the vertex. Vertex is hk, right? That's my vertex. And then h is negative b over 2a. So then negative b will be negative 32 over 2a, negative 16 times 2. Then that will be 32 to h will be 1. And if I go ahead and plug in 1 into the function, that will give me k. Right, so then that will be negative 16, 1 squared, plus 32 times 1 plus 8. So that will turn out to be, this portion I've got negative 16, this one I've got 32 plus 40, 32 plus 8, that's 40, 40, that's 24, so that's 124. So what does that mean? At 1 second, the ball is the maximum height, which is, we're not sure about the feet. Yes, the feet is here, the unit, maximum height, which is 24 feet. Okay, so 124. Here I answered that question also. Now, when was the ball higher than 12 feet? Okay, so again, this is the graph. This is t. This is h of t. Alright, so greater than 12. So 12 as a feet is here. So we're looking for greater than 12. So when is that happening? That's the question. So it means that I do have my function again, h of t function given, right? Which is negative 16t squared plus 32t plus 8, and we want that function to be greater than 12. Okay, so it's like solving inequalities, kind of. So then you move 12 to the other side, and then greater than 0, right? And then how are we going to do that? We're going to enter all values again, but this time c will be changed. A will be 16, b will be negative 16, b will be 32, our c will be negative 4. Right? So then if you enter all those values in your calculator and find your roots, the one that I have shown you in part 1, you get x1 will be 0.133, x2 will be 1.866 seconds. So That means I have right after I throw the ball, or Thea throws the ball, in the seconds. So this is the part that the ball will be greater than 12, and it happens to be between the roots. So then 0.133 comma 1.86 parentheses. These are not included, and that's an interval notation solution. All right. Hope this helps again. We talk soon. Bye.